Next in maintenance is to keep supplies topped up. You will need to keep supplying cleaning stuff, essential items, toilet rolls, kitchen towels, paper towels, and all that kind of stuff. And one good idea is if you're running a small operation like running a property on Airbnb, the easiest thing in my experience is to just tell your cleaners to buy stuff whenever they are running low on something, and they can just send you the invoices and you pay them along with the cleaning charges. It saves you unnecessary trips to the property and shopping. If your cleaner is happy with that, let me do this small shopping, and you can just pay them for their time and effort. These are the few things that you will need to keep replenishing. Things like window cleaner, surface cleaner, foaming shower cleaner, shampoo, body wash and conditioner, mop and mopping liquid, paper towel, vacuum bags, scrubbing brush, sponge, laundry basket, washing up liquid, and things like that. And some of these stuff, along with tea, coffee, and sugar, I order them online and get them delivered directly to my cleaner's address. And then the next time they're going to the property, they bring it along. And try and buy big quantities. There are two reasons for that. It saves you from running around too frequently. And the second is, if the package is big, it discourages people from packing it away.